guys, ngayong hapon na kami karon sa Kasadya Park. Kay ma-attend ko og birthday sa akong amiga. Okay, sayang anak. 2 years old.
Ice cream, have empanada, and of course, my all-time favorite food. We offer that for you, and it's for free, and it's for everybody. Thank you so much, and I'll be back. Hey, all right, come over here.
Hala, agoy, ay hadlok eh. Agoy.
So, pakpak ang tanan, oy. All right, here, ladies and gentlemen, isn't that amazing? As you can see, Johanna approaching slowly to our center stage is growing faster. I remember when you were 1 year old, you were so cute back then, and now she's a lot cuter than before. Isn't that amazing? Again, sa atong nakita, dahil ako lang kinimahin sa tanan, tolo ka buok lechon karon. Ang pinakakusugmukan taong happy birthday song, maoy matagaan sa mga extra malechon ko niya. Okay? Sige, on your mark, ready, set, go! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! One more time! Bum, 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 bum. Happy birthday to you! Bum, bum, bum. Happy birthday to you! Beep, beep, beep. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Now all together say happy birthday, Johanna! Happy birthday, Johanna! Inaya, dapat ikususin ka kay happy tagang tingkaon. Go!
Happy birthday, Johanna!
Okay, at this point, Johanna, I just wanted to ask, how old are you now? Johanna, how old are you today? Alright, so why don't we give her at least joy and of course to win some prizes na mga kaigalaan. So I don't think we should ignore this. So please do not rush me off. So that's why I highly encourage tanan nga mga bata. So let me remind you, let me recall my name. Ako di ay si Chichi and I am your clown host for today. Is ito yung pangalan ko mga bata? Could you please say my name louder? Go! Sige, ato ko ng ila-ilahon ang mga bata na ulo. Every time ang kabot sa shoulder, mga kaigalaan. Now, everybody wiggle your shoulder. Come on, wiggle your shoulder. That's it. Nakabot ang kabot sa hips. Sa hips. Alright, play! Alam, could you please say it louder? Are you ready to play? Hip, hip! Come on, hip, hip! Uy, pakpak ang tanan, oy! Now, everybody, we are now pinakadaon pa. Gihapon magbuol, kay tungod, grabe kagalante, grabe ka-indulgent si Mamira, duha ka prize ang ato maihatag nila. You can have this, kuya, and of course, asa itong usa ka winner nato nilay. Dumodawat ka, Barbie. Let me nananiha, faster, faster. Nananiha pala kadugay, uy, mao na di mo magbayad sa internet. Nananiha, everybody, come on. 2,287 pesos is the high amount as of now, but we will see. Allow them to pick their prize. Is it okay? Sige, don't it is your chance I can pick your prize. Sige, we actually have a funny eye for Mickey Mouse. A Mickey Mouse fan, would you like to have this? Or would you happy lang sa kagalon? Sige, mga bata, your other hand must be at the back.
Hey, Johanna.
Okay, please take your CPI sa mga bata. You may go back there. She's going to dance. So once again, pakpakaday na ito na itong mga dancer na si Minnie Mouse. Maestro, please. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Now let's sing it one more time, but make it faster and louder. Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Happy birthday to you. Ba-dum, bum, bum. Happy birthday to you. Beep, beep, beep. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Now all together say happy birthday, Johanna.
Happy birthday, Johanna.
Say it louder, go!
Happy birthday, Johanna.
And now, Johanna, this is your moment, the eye, to blow out your candle. Okay, on three, masyado taog blow. 1, 2, 3. Blow, Johanna. Yay! Now, ladies and gentlemen, mga bata, Johanna is now officially 2 years old.
Wala na magatong.
Is anong maybe? Mag-appeal ka, ma'am. Ang mo-appeal pa, pilo na ito sa raffle. Sige, okay na lang. Everybody, let's do the walkie-walkie. 1, 2. Ay, sorry.